Hello and welcome to the brand new course Argo CD Declarative GitOps CD for Kubernetes. So this course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of Argo CD, a powerful tool for implementing GitOps continuous delivery in Kubernetes environment. Whether you are a DevOps engineer, a Kubernetes administrator, or a developer looking to streamline your deployment process, this course will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively use Argo CD. So this lecture is all about the introduction, objective, and course overview. Okay, so Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. It allows you to manage your Kubernetes application using Git repositories as the source of truth for desired states of your application. By leveraging GitOps principle, Argo CD ensures that your application are always in sync with the desired state defined in your Git repositories, providing a more reliable and automated deployment process. So in this course, we will cover everything from the basic of Argo CD to advanced features and integration. You will learn how to set up and install Argo CD on various cloud platforms, explore its user interface, and deploy application using different strategies and tool like customize and help. So by the end of this course, you will able to understand the fundamentals of Argo CD, like learn what Argo CD is, its key features, and the benefits it's offer for Kubernetes continuous delivery. Install and configure Argo CD. Gain hands-on experience in setting up Argo CD on Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure. Then navigate the Argo CD user interface. Get familiar with the Argo CD dashboard and understand how to manage application through the UI, deploy application using Argo CD, learn how to deploy application using Argo CD, including different sync strategies and workflow, monitor and troubleshoot Argo CD, understand how to monitor the health of your application and troubleshoot common issues in Argo CD, integrate, customize and Helm with Argo CD, explore how to customize and Helm for managing Kubernetes manifest and deploying application through Argo CD, utilize tool and detection in Argo CD. So learn about the tool detection capabilities of Argo CD and how it can automatically detect and manage different type of application. So let's get started. And this is our first lecture. So you can see the PPT here, Argo CD Declarative GitOps CD for Kubernetes. This is our first lecture uh, about the course overview and objectives. Our second lecture is like the overview of Argo CD, basically what is Argo CD and the stuff. Then our third lecture is key features of Argo CD like application management, GitOps workflow, declarative configuration, automatic synchronization. Then fourth lecture is all about benefits of Argo CD, like what are the benefits of Argo CD, simplified deployment, improved collaboration, enhanced visibility. Then our fifth lecture is setup installation of Argo CD on GCP, basically Google Cloud Platform. Then sixth is AWS. Then seventh one is Azure. So we are covering multi-cloud, like famous cloud, AWS, GCP, and Azure. Then our I think seventh or eighth lecture is overview of Argo CD user interface. Basically, we will cover the authentication, configuration, OIDC provider, scopes, claims, then secret management. Then our next lecture is application deployment using Argo CD. Basically, we'll see the like how we deployed application using Argo CD, then GitOps workflow, declarative configuration, application sync, application health, then RBAC, which is very important, role-based access control, then Argo CD workflow and strategies, sync strategies, basically the pull push automatic. Argo CD support different workflows and synchronization strategies for managing deployments. Then our next lecture is Argo CD monitoring and troubleshooting, like logging matrices and debugging. This is one of the most important part in DevOps, like logging and all. Then customize in Argo CD, customize integration, declarative configuration, patching and overlays, and environmental management, composition and inheritance, then seamless integration, then Helm, two main techniques, create a Helm chart, configure the chart, deploy the chart with Argo CD, sync the application. Then last lecture is tool detection, automatic tool detection, tool configuration, supported tool detection mechanism, manifest customization. So this is the whole course which like we'll cover in our upcoming lectures. This is your first lecture. In this lecture, we'll like we'll cover a lot of things like course overview, introduction, and objectives. We will also talking about tools like Kubectl and Customize. So if you go on, if you want any help in Argo CD, you can also check the documentation of Argo CD, which is argocd.readthedocs.io en is stable. So this is basically the Argo CD docs. You can take help from docs. Also, if you click on operator manual, so you can find a lot of things. If you see the user guide, so you can find a lot of things about customize, helm, and other stuff. Then developer guide also here. So you can also check the Argo CD docs before starting the course. Okay, and you can see this is the Argo CD interface. So we'll also like explain user interface in deep in our other lectures. So you can in demo process, so you can see the uh, Argo CD user interface. Okay, I will give the password. Okay, so I'm giving my password. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, Argo CD. I think there are some errors. So basically, this is our user interface, and if you sign in here, so you can find about the user interface. We will also cover these things in our next lectures. Okay, so if you're talking about PPT, so I will cover all the things. So this is the docs, this is the user interface. Here you can log in with your credentials. Then that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium. On Medium, we will post a lot of stuff regarding blogs. Okay, and we'll also provide a lot of valuable content over LinkedIn and Twitter. Also, you can also follow on LinkedIn and Twitter. Follow on Medium. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and wait for next video also. So yep. Bye bye. Let's meet in next video.